TTD releases this online virtual seva and connected darshan quota for booking on 22 at 3 p.m. every month. The date might change in the future, so for accurate date and time, please always check the TTD latest updates every month from 19th onwards. Type TTD in the browser and click on Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam's official booking portal link. Then click on the login link as shown in the video. Then please enter the mobile number and click on get OTP. Enter the received OTP in your mobile and click on login button. It redirects to home page. In the home page, click on the online services link. Then select online Sevas virtual participation. Then it will show two more options. So in that you choose Srivani Temple Tirumala as shown in the screen. It displays the instruction page. Please read the instructions carefully, and after reading all the instructions, there's a checkbox is there at the bottom saying I have read and agreed to the instructions. Please click on that checkbox and then click on continue button. If you log in exactly at 3 p.m., then it displays the screen with entire month in green color, which is available for booking virtual seva. I logged in little bit late while recording this video. That's the reason you are seeing till 17th April in red color indicating tickets are closed, and 19th, 20th and 26th in yellow color indicating the limited tickets are available. So please log in exactly at 3 p.m. so that for the entire month the tickets will be available and you can choose the date whichever you want. Okay, now I am clicking on select seva option. It will display 4 sevas. You can choose the seva which you want to book the ticket. It will display the dates for which these sevas are available. In this video, I am choosing the select seva option as all, and I am choosing the date as 29th for which the tickets availability is more. So there is one more option to choose the number of tickets as 1 or maximum 2 per login based on the need. I am selecting the number of tickets as 1. You can see all the 4 seva tickets are available for the chosen date. I am choosing the Unjal Seva option. To check the availability of physical darshan, TTD provides a link which says please click here to check the availability of darshan. Click on that link and verify the darshan date is available or not. And one more important note that is not mentioned here, but the thing is, whenever you are booking the virtual seva, then the physical darshan, it is after that date only. Means I am booking the virtual seva here on 29th, then you can book the physical darshan after 29th only. If it's available, then you can proceed further. Now you can see there is an option called additional services. It is optional. If you want any extra laddus and need to donate any amount, then you need to use this additional services. Otherwise, you can ignore this option and then click on continue button. Redirects to the page where you need to enter the general details of the account holder and then the Gruhastha details, means that person who need darshan. Since I choose the number of tickets as 1, here we can enter one person details. If we have chosen the number of tickets as 2, then it will ask for 2-person details. So please enter the general details and then the Grihastha details such as name, age, gender, ID proof. Please note the same ID proof you need to carry for darshan. Here the important tip I want to say is please keep the general details of the account holder and ticket holder or Grihastha details as an handy in a notepad so that it becomes easy just to copy and paste here and save the time of booking and increase the chance of getting confirmed tickets. Then click on continue button. It will display the page which shows all the general details and the pilgrim details. You can review all the information here, and if you want to edit any information, it will provide you an option of editing. If all the information is proper, then click on continue button. It will redirect to the payment options page. So it provides 4 different payment options. So you can choose whichever the payment option you are comfortable and do the payment. If the payment is successful, then it displays this page as transaction success and then it shows the received amount. And also this screen is telling the 2 important instructions. Please observe the first instruction is whatever the online virtual seva you booked, it can be watched through Sri Venkateswara Bhakti channel live telecast only. And to avail the physical darshan, the validity of this ticket is for 1 year. If you are interested in availing the physical darshan, then click on yes or otherwise click on no button. So it displays the date which is available for darshan. As I told already, since I have chosen the virtual seva on 29th, it will allow to book the physical darshan after 29th only. So in this April month, so it is just showing only one date, that is 30th for the physical darshan. So click on 30th date. It will display the different slots available on that day. So for me it's just the last slot is only available on 22, that is around 10 p.m. So I'm choosing that slot only. Then click on the checkbox saying I have read and agreed to the instructions. Then click on continue button. It displays the general details, grihastha details and darshan details for review. If you want to edit any of this information, you can edit, and if all the information is proper, then click on book button. That's it. The ticket is booked and it is saying the booking is success, and it will allows to download the darshan receipt. Click on that download receipt button. It will display the special entrance darshan ticket where you can see the date 34/2026 and the time as 10 p.m. and there are some instructions. Please read all these instructions, and then there is an option to print or download this ticket. So based on the need, either you can print the hard copy of the ticket or download the ticket. So whenever this ticket is needed, that time also you can download this ticket by logging into the TTD official website portal, and then in the home page you click on the booking history link. It will display the page with select service option. Here you can choose the option as Virtual Seva. It will display the booking details of the Virtual Seva, where you can check the booking status, where it shows as success. If it is failure, it will show as failure. If the number of pilgrims is 2 or more, then you can see that book accommodation link is enabled. Here, since the number of pilgrims is 1, the book accommodation link is disabled. Next to the book accommodation link, there is an arrow mark. Click on that arrow mark. Then it will display the entire booking details, payment details, and refund details. So in the payment details section, there is darshan column is there. Under that, you can see there's a view receipt link is there. If you click on that view receipt link, it will display the darshan ticket, where you can download or print that darshan ticket. For booking accommodation online, you can refer the video link in the description. For more informative videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.